Yeah, this is stanza 2 of chilling in the beach. Or if I say sea, lake, what? Stanza 2, I'm just walking right here. It's kind of hard. I'm just walking around. And there's a statue. I don't know that. Maybe it's a Malaysian shit. I don't know what it is. The skyscraper, the hotel. I mean, Malaysia. Sweet buildings. There's a swimming pool. It's very deep. I guess you don't want to fall inside, man. Man, this is the stuff, man. Careful about that, bro. Put my specs on. That's how we do it. This one is for me because I don't know how to swim, man. I guess I'll do well on this shit. Yeah. Let me just walk around, take a view of the hotel, and check out some shutties. Make them no catch me for child abuse, you know, say no. And that story with that one, not together. But it's fine, and I think I like what I'm seeing. That's some kiddies swimming. Or you see my attire on the hotel outfit. Such the kind of palms to the past you got in the room. Bro, be careful about this shit, man. This kid is swimming. Malaysian kids. Make them be careful. I hope see what the divers did. The crowd is nice. And, I think I like what I'm seeing. Oh, you walk through this place? Huh? Yeah. Keep on walking. Very big, tall buildings. Nigeria can never be like this.